Yeah, g'day, I'm Brendan from Form Direct. We're installing DiamondGrid here today at this facility. DiamondGrid is going to be used here for a hard stand area and light vehicle car park. The reason that we decided to go for DiamondGrid in this installation is purely for cost saving. So this project alone, including the sub-base preparation, will be saving the client about 75%. So the first process with the whole installation is to remove the existing soil, which is not up to standard, and bring in a sub-grade, sub-base material and compact that to 98%, ready for our DiamondGrid to be installed on. We need to get nice level gradients running into the drainage system, and then we're ready to lay the DiamondGrid on the sub-base and then fill it with concrete. It's exceptionally easy to install the DiamondGrid, so the laying process is very fast. The rule of thumb is to work on approximately 100 square metres per person per hour. Then the process to fill the DiamondGrid with concrete is very simple. So this application here behind us, as you can see, the concrete truck's just backed straight over the DiamondGrid. There's no need for a concrete pump, etc. You can just dump it directly into the DiamondGrid. So similar to a traditional slab, the DiamondGrid, when it's filled with concrete, will need expansion joints throughout the pavement area. That would depend on your dimensions. So the DiamondGrid requires very little concrete. It's only 40 millimetres thick, 4 centimetres. So 1 cubic metre of concrete will fill 26 square metres. So for this pavement here, which this front section is around about 1200 square metres, which only requires about just under 50 cubic metres of concrete, whereas if this was a traditional slab, it'd be in excess of 180 cubic metres of concrete. So the saving is massive. The DiamondGrid, when filled with concrete, can be trafficked over very soon after it's poured. Concrete does take 28 days to cure, as we all know, but due to the structure being the DiamondGrid, we can get vehicles and forklifts and truck movements on there a lot sooner than traditional pavements. The DiamondGrid pavement works a lot different to other pavements like your asphalt, bitumen, etc. So the product can't pothole or fatigue similar to those pavements. It'll last many years to come, similar to a traditional slab.